All right, now we're going to have more than we did vertical translations, and then we did dilations, but now we're going to have more than one thing happen. But with this program, it only wants one thing to happen at a time. All right, so the first thing is first. Let's look right up here. We are given an equation, and we know that anytime you put a plus 3, you just add a plus 3 to any function, that's going to move it up 3, isn't it? So that's a vertical translation. We're going to go up 3, and let's hit the transform button. So it moved up 3. And what part of the equation makes that happen? That part of the equation makes it happen. Now, are we finished? No, because there's a nifty negative right there. Now, anytime you see a negative slope, that's called a reflection. We are reflecting it over the x-axis. We are vertically reflecting it. So let's hit the transform button. And now it is going in a negative direction. See, this was a negative slope, and it's now going in a negative direction. So that's good. So we are going to hit enter. But we forgot to put the negative at the front, which is what we just said we were doing, is we were reflecting. We were making it negative. Now are we done? Have we accounted for the negative and accounted for the plus 3? Yes, we have. All right, when you go to the next one, it didn't give you any writing. It wants you to look right here. It wants you to figure out how to get the purple line. Well, the first thing we noticed is it's negative, isn't it? This is a negative slope, so we need to do a reflection, vertical. Do you see how our blue line turned negative? It now has a negative slope. And how do you represent a negative slope? You put a negative right there. Now, are we done? No, we're not done because something else happened. See how there's another thing that happened. And that, it went from right here, which is the parent function at 0, 0, it went down 1. It went down 1. So we're going to go over here and we're going to do a vertical transformation. It went down 1. Now when you hit the transform button, it should now cover up the purple line that you were trying to get to. And it did, so we're in good shape. And now we're going to, what did we do? We went down 1. We went down 1, and that is a yes, we have finished it. So that's how we're going to do it. You can only do one thing at a time, though. You can't type in both the reflection and the vertical translation. You have to do them one at a time for this program.